Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the hide map function in the bus times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Settings section, look for the Hide Map button. And in order to turn this on, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.